Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in GoDaddy account. So if you also want to log in GoDaddy account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.godaddy.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of GoDaddy. You can see several options over here. You can see the options like domains, websites and hosting, email, security, marketing. You can also see the options like contact us, help, sign in. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the option sign in. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see this kind of options. If you do not have an account, what you have to do is click on the option create an account and then you'll be able to create an account for you. If you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the option sign in. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to fill in these credentials and then you'll be able to log in. All you have to do is enter your username, or you can also enter your customer has. Now enter your password. Now all you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here, or you can also use the email instead. Simply click on the option use email and after that you'll be able to sign in with your email, or you can also sign in with Apple, Facebook or Google. Simply click on the option through which you want to sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in GoDaddy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.